Even if you guys use Chrome or Brave browser, Windows secretly launches Microsoft Edge process. So you can see I don't have any Microsoft Edge running, but this just boot up, first boot up, I don't gonna lie. So in Task Manager, and you can see that it is running on background as you turn your PC. It still shows 300 megabyte of RAM and CPU cycles through the start boost and background extensions. So now here's a quick solution for you. So first open up the Edge browser itself. All right, now go to Edge settings. So you can go to setting by hitting on this cog bar and go to setting, and then go ahead and click on system and performance. So here we have system. Now just turn off the startup boost. So you can see that open Edge faster when you start your device. So you just don't want it to do this. And also you need to turn off this continue running background extension and apps when Edge is closed. So turn that off, and you can leave this one as it is. So the second thing here is you need to access your Task Manager. So right click on your taskbar, Task Manager, and you need to click on this Startup Apps. So if you see your Microsoft Edge browser over here, you need to turn that off or disable that. All right, so in my case it's already turned off, so I don't need to do that. We are good to go. Even though if you wanted to go like deep level, you need to go using the registry editor. So open up the run and type your reg edit. So this is what you guys wanted to type. Press OK, click on yes, and this is how it should look like your res edit. All right, now first go to H key local machine, just expand this, and then software, expand the software, then find up this policy folder. So expand the policy and Microsoft. So here you can see I don't see any kind of Microsoft Edge folder. So you can basically create a folder here inside the Microsoft folder itself. So to create a folder inside Microsoft, you need to click right and new key. All right, just like that. Just right click on the Microsoft and then type your Edge exactly, and then hit enter. So now this will become your Edge browser for reg edit. And then inside the Edge folder, you can see we don't have anything. So you need to right click and new. You need to create 32-bit D word value. Then in here you need to type startup boost enabled and click, and then you need to set this and make sure to set this on 0. All right, and click on OK. And next you need to create another D word value. So this time you need to name this as background. So this is a case sensitive. All right, so you need to type exactly like this, background mode enable. So this one is second, and also make sure it have value as a 0 and press on OK. And one last D word value. So this time you need to type hello pre-launch, and also make sure the value is everything like 0. Now this is it, guys. Once you guys have done this, you are good to go. Now whenever you guys reboot your computer, it will never turn on your startup. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video.